Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another video by Sequenis Dames, your favorite realtor in Greater Tampa Bay and Wesley Chapel with the Costa Realty LLC. Today I am touring a brand new community called Willow Reserve in Wesley Chapel, Florida. And this community is built by Emerald Homes, which is a DR Horton subsidiary. And today we're going to look at the Camden. It's 2794 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3.5 baths. And this is a 1-story. So let's step inside. And when you first come into this home, you'll notice there is a very nice foyer area with lighting and a few door options. There's a door there. And there's a door there. Now this door would actually go into a 3-car garage in your home. This is a model, so of course this will go to the business center. And I really think it's important to note how high these baseboards are. They are higher than the average baseboards in homes. You have a nice chandelier in this model and tray ceiling. And so as we go into the first bedroom, it's very spacious. Nice room for a guest room, or if you work from home, maybe even an office. Depending on what you do, it'd be really convenient for this to be at the front of your house so that your clients or business associates don't have to go all through the house looking for you. You're right there at the front. You don't have to disturb the rest of your family. Nice size closet. Oh, it's kind of deeper in there actually. So that's kind of cool how it goes in that little corner, the pointed corner there. And kind of fit a little extra space in there for you, so that's pretty nice. And again, this is a 1-story home. In this community, of the 4 models or floor plans that they'll be building, 2 of them will be 2-story, and one of them the other 2 will actually be 1-story. So this is one of the 1-story options. And you have a nice Jack and Jill bathroom here with your tile in your shower area. So that's very nice. A decent sized tub here. And you have 2 sinks, which, believe it or not, is not something that comes standard these days in every home. We've seen a lot of homes that did not have 2 sinks in the bathroom. So that's nice to have. So here we come right on over to bedroom number 2. You have a nice little window there for you to be able to see out. So maybe this is another office. Maybe there are 2 of you living here that both work from home. I know me and my husband both work home. And so this would actually be kind of nice if this were my office and that were his office, or that were my office and this were his office, and then we just have this nice shared bathroom. So kind of cool. Like I said, it's right here by the front door, so you just come right on in. And again, about the similar size closet, tiny bit smaller than the other bedroom, but still a decent size overall. So very nice there. And then as we come out of bedroom number 2 into the hallway area, there is a right wing here in the house. So let's go down here. And the first thing we run into is a half bath. And I can't tell you guys how important, since being a homeowner, that half baths are, especially like when you're running in after you just finished grocery shopping, or, you know, you're just coming from wherever and you can't make it to whatever other bathroom you want to have, but you have this quick, easy half bath that you could just come right in, do what you gotta do, usually by the front door somewhere. So really helpful, especially if you have guests. This would be the entrance coming in from, again, your 3-car garage. And so it's nice. I like how they put the bench here. That's what I would do also if I lived here. Probably put a nice little bench here to put shoes, kind of like a mudroom area kind of thing. They even have the hooks to hang like your backpacks, maybe your keys, maybe some other items as well. So that's nice. Maybe sit down and put your shoes on as you leave or come in. And then you have this nice little linen closet also. And you can never have enough storage, so that's really nice to have as well. Coming right across, you have a pretty spacious laundry room. The appliances do come included when you purchase with Emerald Homes. And so you would more than likely get Whirlpool appliances. And what's really nice is you also get a sink. I can't tell you guys how convenient a sink is when you have to wash delicates or you just need to rinse something off and you don't want to take it, all the way upstairs or wherever. So having a sink in your laundry room is really helpful. And then you have an HVAC here. So very nice. And there's actually a lot of space around the HVAC too, so that's nice too. I would not recommend using it as storage over there long term, but it is nice that it has a lot of space around it for efficiency reasons. And what I love that the DR Horton community is starting to do in their communities is they're actually offering these light switches with a company called Deco. And so with this switch, I'm not going to do it obviously because this is a model, but we have the same exact switch in our home, which is a DR Horton home. And basically this whole panel can come off and you can actually switch this light option for a motion censored one, a smart one. They're really cool, but they're a lot easier to fix and to just replace. So you don't have to have an electrician if you want to change your lighting options in your home. But it's literally just a quick switch. And the switches, they have so many options. They range from $50 and up, but they're really cool, really easy. We've changed a few of our switches. So definitely a good feature with getting a DR Horton home. I'm glad to see that they're continuing that in the Emerald Home community here. And so in this room, this is kind of like a in-law suite almost. So you kind of have this little lobby, foyer, lounge area with tray ceilings and recessed lighting. You even have like a little kitchenette area. So you have a full-size refrigerator. That's crazy. You have a full-size refrigerator here. Wow. That's really cool, actually. I'm a little jealous. You have a full-size refrigerator and a sink. You have cabinet space, and I mean, you could probably add a microwave if you wanted. So really good for like an in-law suite or even like a guest wing if you entertain a lot or you have family coming to visit you a lot. They have their own suite. So this is just the lounge area for that. And what's good is it's literally right off the right side of the garage entrance, so they can come right on in, or even if you're renting, you can rent this section out. And this would be that in-law suite bedroom. Again, the tray ceilings. And it's a really decent size. So this looks like maybe a full-size bed, but there's definitely room to play with if you wanted to put something bigger there. I love how tall these doors and thresholds are. They go almost up to the ceiling, which just makes everything look so much bigger. So I really love that. And then you have a nice bathroom here, nice and cozy. It's actually a shower instead of a tub, but they did tile it for you, so that looks really good. And I love, for some reason, when there's this nice little cutout here in the bathroom. I really love that. It's so convenient. You don't have to buy any kind of extra hardware, put anything up. You just put it right in that cubby hole. So that's really convenient. And it looks cool. It looks like something you get out of a sauna. So I like it. And you get your one sink and some storage beneath. So very cool there. And your in-law suite includes a walk-in closet. And this is actually a pretty spacious closet. So if this is the in-law suite closet, I don't know. I want to see what the other closets look like because this is pretty big. A lot of space here. So moving right along into the rest of the house. I don't know, I'm already sold, guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. And remember to like, subscribe, and share for more VIP tours and information. So this is your dining area. And again, we still have tray ceilings. And this is pretty spacious. You get a lot of open lighting, which just, again, makes your home look so much bigger. And if you think about it, it actually might be a little cost effective too. You don't have to turn on as many lights. So very nice. And what's nice is even though this is kind of open concept, they still kind of separated the space a little bit. So you do have kind of like those half walls that you see there with that column, but it's still left just open enough that you can still kind of call it open concept. So this looks like a nice sized dining table with room to walk all around. If you like entertaining, again, that same guest that might be visiting several times because they know they have that in-law suite, they're gonna sit there at your dinner table with all the great things that you cook. Maybe they'll cook for you if they come that often. And this is a nice living space and continues with all this open lighting and the windows. I love how open this is. Love, love, love. If you're kind of a theater junkie or an audiophile, kind of like my husband is, then you'll love all the space here. And then here you have the Lanai area. I'm gonna see if I can go out here. So this is really nice. And so the road that we're looking at right now is actually County Line Road, or it actually turns into Collier Parkway at this junction in Pasco County. And so it's not a busy road. It's not as busy as certain roads like maybe State Road 56 or State Road 54. So it shouldn't get as loud as those kind of roads. But it is a nice, road that at least they did give you the sound barrier for the wall here. And it's easy to get to where you need to get to. On our way in, we actually passed the Publix down there, and it looks like they're making some other things too. So you wouldn't be too far from other communities, and other accessible things. So that's good to know. But you have your own little oasis out here, kind of off in the cut. And then you have this beautiful kitchen with quartz countertop. And this does come included. You have your built-in double oven. Or oven and microwave set. Very nice. And I see they put crown molding on the cabinets. You have your range that's kind of tucked away there. And I'm noticing a lot of the newer homes are starting to go to these stove top ranges instead of the oven and stove connection. So that's pretty cool. You do get extra storage because of it. So that's pretty nice. You could put your big pans here. I know a lot of people put our pans like underneath the oven. That's actually a warming area. They're not supposed to go there, but to each his own. So it's nice to have that large space there and some really nice modern type subway tile. So that's pretty cool. And then over here you get this under-mounted farm style sink with your appliances and your soap dispenser there. And then they just keep it coming with the Whirlpool appliances, with the dishwasher, and this very lovely and larger than the other refrigerator. You got your freezer area down here. You have a nice large refrigerator up top. So very nice. A lot of space, because again, like I said, if that guest is always coming over to enjoy that in-law suite, then they better be earning their keep. So hopefully they'll have all those groceries stacked in the fridge for you, and they'll cook you some nice Sunday dinners. Cute little cafe area for your coffee, if you're a coffee junkie like me. And then you have this nice corner pantry, which is very spacious. A lot of racks already pre-installed for you. So that's convenient, ready for you to already come on in and put your items in. So very nice. And I just want you guys to see this tile too. So usually with the DR Horton homes, you would get a square tile, but in the Emerald Home community, which is a little bit more luxurious than the typical DR Horton community, you actually get these elongated rectangle tiles. So again, something a little extra in this community, a little bit different than the typical DR Horton home. And in here you have your owner suite. And so of course we continue that tray ceiling. You get 3 beautiful windows, so you can wake up to the sunrise or the sunset, whichever way that window is facing. And you get so much space, so you can get whatever size bed you want. If you want a king, if you want a California king, I was told that's actually not that much larger, but just in case it is, you could put that in here too. You could do cartwheels in here. If you're a gymnast, you could do exercises. You can have a lot of fun in this room. It's huge. And you have this very lovely bathroom. Again, natural lighting. You have this very spacious and cozy looking whirlpool kind of tub. So very nice after that long day of work, especially if you do work from home and you come from that west wing of the house where that office is by the front door. And you come to you a nice bubble bath to relax after working hard. Or if you got somewhere to be and you don't have time for a bubble bath, you can take you a quick shower. And again, you do still have that cute little cutout in the shower that I love. It's so convenient. Love it, love it, love it. So very, very nice. And again, you have your dual sinks, which do not take that for granted, guys. Like I said, a lot of newer homes I've seen sometimes do not have 2 sinks. So definitely something not to sneeze at. You have a separate room for your toilet, which is a little more sanitary. So that's good to have. And you have a linen closet right in your bathroom. So I know for me, a lot of times I have a hard time figuring out what to put in my linen closet. But you can specifically put your bathroom related items in here and then use your other closets for other storage. So very helpful. And you have your walk-in closet. And I do mean walk-in. If you walk all the way in, there's quite a bit of space here. There's a lot of length to this closet. So well over enough space for 2 people, maybe 3, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining me. And as always, for your home buying, renting, investing, or selling questions, feel free to give me a call, email, or text.